He's very good at that.
My high tower and my deliverer.
I am like so tense. Oh, I've got a headache. Oh no. No. No, please no.
Fucking get out!
No. He was my favorite.
Blessed be the Lord, my strength, which teaches my hands to war and my fingers to fight.
Please don't let them shoot at the bell tower. Oh god, oh god!
Fucking get out!
He was so reluctant for this mission, but he's so pivotal in winning. Or living.
Teaches my hands to war and my fingers to fight.
Oh no. They're aiming for him.
Are they? Take him down.
My high tower and my deliverer.
Oh.
My shield and he in whom I trust.
This guy is badass.
I know. Get the tank, get the tank.
What do I feel like?
I know.
Someone's gonna come up behind him.
He had another
Oh, they're aiming for him! Oh no, get out of there.
Oh, fudge.
Oh no, I knew he was gonna die.
They shot the bell tower. Oh. Shit.
Oh, fucking get out! Oh!
Ooh. Come on, I'm scared.
Careful, I don't want
No, I don't want him to die.
Gosh, dude is stopping. Oh no, they see him.
Come on,
Run
come on, run away.
Get out!
Get out, get out.
Oh no, poor Amy died.
This is, yeah. That was
Get
my
out,
main concern.
please, please.
He's not seeing it, but he just saw it. Oh. Man, I like that guy.
I really liked him.
My goodness, my fortress, my high tower and my deliverer.
Wow.
My shield. Fucking get out!
Oh
Is he about to die? Because this is the third time we've seen him praying in this situation.
Tower and my deliverer.
The rule of threes, I feel like he's gonna die. Oh, the tank. Oh. Wow, I will say Spielberg has used a really interesting, he plays with perspective a lot, you know, through the sniper rifle or through Upham's like little telescope thing earlier and like the perspective from the German sniper before.
This guy is talented. Oh, we missed that guy. I wonder if praying settles his nerves. Oh no, he spotted him. We can't lose him. No, they lost them. They lost the tower.
My strength teaches my hands to war and my fingers to fight. My goodness, my fortress, my high tower and my deliverer.
Oh no. Oh no.
He's good. Francis Xavier Slattery.
My high tower and my deliverer. My shield and he in whom I trust. Give me that, baby.
I missed that one. Come on. He has saved them from so many people. Please don't kill him. Please don't kill him, please.
Fucking get out! My shield and he in whom I trust.
He's such a good shooter. No, 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 no.
Fucking get out!
Yeah, he can't miss now.
Every bullet counts.
Never misses. He's a really good shot.
Oh, and the blood coming out like that is just... He's missed a couple. Which is fair enough.
Damn, dude, that's not.
Oh, no!
He's gone. Why does he yell and not get down himself? He's gone.
Fuck.
Wow, dude, this guy is such a badass. What a sharp shot, man. He misses as I say that, but... Oh, shit.
Fucking get out! Blessed be the Lord, my strength, that teaches my hands to war.
Come on. Keep going, keep going. Ooh, he not missing nothing.
My high tower and my deliverer.
Oh, eat him up.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Fucking get out!
Oh, man.
Uh-oh.
Damn. He was a real soldier right there. He was a real one.
Yeah.
I gotta say that.
That is a bad dude. Just
my shield.
One shot dropping.
He is just...
Oh no.
I know.
Fucking get out!
No, no, no.
Blessed be the Lord, my strength, that teaches my hands to war and my fingers to fight.
This guy's aim is impeccable.
Let's go.
My goodness, my fortress, my high tower and my deliverer.
Sir.
My shield and he in whom I trust.
Yes, sir.
Oh no. Jeez.
Fucking get out!
No.
Blessed be the Lord, my strength, my high tower and my deliverer.
He's a really good shot.
Yeah. He's really someone you want on your side.
Yeah.
Oh no! I was worried about that. They know where he is.
Fucking get out!
Oh!
Oh.